Have you ever found yourself wishing your color-treated hair could keep its vibrancy just a little longer? If you're dealing with those pesky copper tones fading too quickly, I've got a solution for you today that promises to keep those rich hues looking fresh. Today we're talking about Celeb Luxury's Copper for Brunette Duos, a liquid product designed to add and maintain copper tones in color-treated hair. This product comes with a unique promise. It helps keep those copper shades looking salon-fresh for longer, which is a game changer for anyone with color-treated hair, especially brunettes who love their copper highlights or shades. The first thing to note is that this product is specifically formulated for color-treated hair, which is great because color-treated locks tend to fade faster. The formula is designed not only to enhance copper tones, but also to help preserve them. The product has a lovely copper brown scent that is pleasant and not overpowering, which is always a bonus in hair care products. After using this product for a while, I found it surprisingly easy to incorporate into my routine. I applied it during my usual wash day, and it blends in seamlessly with my shampoo and conditioner. It doesn't leave a heavy residue or an overly greasy feeling. The texture is just right, liquid but not too runny, so it's easy to apply without making a mess. Now, how does it perform in real life? I've been using it for a few weeks and I can definitely see a difference. My hair feels softer, and those copper tones that were starting to fade have been revived. It's been especially noticeable in natural light, where I can see the vibrancy pop again. Something I really appreciate given how quickly color-treated hair can dull. I've also tested it under various conditions, including humid days, when my hair tends to get a bit more frizzy. Despite that, I've found that my color still holds up, and the product doesn't weigh down my hair or make it feel heavy. It actually seems to keep it looking shiny and vibrant, even when I haven't used it for a couple of washes. As for pros and cons, I'll say that the product's biggest strength is its ability to revive and maintain copper tones. If you're someone who struggles with color fading after a few washes, this product could be a real lifesaver. It's easy to use, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling greasy or sticky. On the downside, while it does maintain the copper tones, I didn't notice a huge improvement in terms of softness compared to my regular conditioner. It might not replace your daily conditioner for hydration, but it definitely complements it. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product is on the higher end, but it's justified if you're looking to maintain that salon-fresh copper look. Given how well it works at keeping the color vibrant, it might be worth the investment, especially if you're trying to extend the life of your color without having to dye it as often. As for alternatives, there are some other color depositing shampoos or conditioners out there that offer a similar benefit for copper-toned hair, but I haven't found one that specifically targets and maintains copper the way this one does. So if you're looking for something that's made for brunettes with copper tones, this is a great option. In terms of build quality, the packaging is practical and sturdy. The liquid dispenses easily, so you won't waste any product, and it lasts a reasonable amount of time, given that you only need to use it a couple of times a week. I haven't noticed any changes to the product's effectiveness over time either, so the longevity is definitely there. So, what's the final verdict? Celeb Luxury's Copper for Brunette Duos is an excellent choice if you want to maintain rich, vibrant copper tones in your color-treated hair. It delivers on its promises of preserving and enhancing color, and it does so without the heavy, greasy feeling that some color-depositing products can leave behind. While it may not replace your regular conditioner for hydration, it's a fantastic product for anyone looking to keep their copper shades looking fresh and vibrant. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in trying Celeb Luxury's Copper for Brunette Duos, you can find the link in the comments below. Have you tried this product or something similar? Drop a comment to let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.